Hello, one and all present here. Welcome to my class on MS Excel 2019. And in this class, I'll discuss age calculation. So, age calculation is very important parameter while working on MS Excel. Many insurance-based companies, many financial companies normally require this function to work on. So, basically, in MS Excel to calculate the age, we use the function called date.dif. So let's try to understand our age calculation by using this function called date.dif. So for that, first I'll try to open MS Excel. For that, I'll just press Window R. In that, I'll write Excel. In that, I'll write Excel. Open one dummy Excel sheet. So yeah. So now my Excel workbook is open. So in this, I'll try to do my age calculation. So probably what you need to understand. So the function what we are going to use, we are going to use the function called date dif. We are going to use this function called date dif. So here what you do first, you write the starting date. So the date from where you want to calculate. So the starting date is basically your date of birth. Then till which date you want to calculate. So your age. So you can find basically date DIF basically calculate the time duration. So here we are using this uh, to calculate our age by using this time duration. The starting date to the ending date. Ending date is basically today date normally. Ending date is basically today date. Then you use the function under double quote. You use a y if you want to determine if we want to determine if you want to determine the years, if you want to determine the number of year, if you want to determine the number of year between the two dates, how many year passed away, what is the time interval in the term of year, then you use y under double quote. Okay, then similarly we use uh, ym or my. So we use one. So normally just like similarly we can use ym. So similarly we can use ym and md. Similarly we can use ym. Similarly I can use ym. So find the months, to find the number of months after the year, how many months passed away. Okay, after X year, whatever year. So after one defined year, how many months passed away? Okay, so month. So to find the number of month passed away, find the number of month passed away, passed away after after certain complete years, complete after certain complete years. We use this function called we will use this function called ym. We will use this function ym to find the number of months. To find the number of month. Okay, similarly we use the function called m into d. Similarly we'll use the function called m into d to find the number of days, passed away after certain complete year and after certain complete month, after certain complete months. Clear everyone? Fine, I hope you understood this. So now based on this, I'll calculate my age. Let determine my age calculation. Determine my age. Determine determine determination of age. So control B for bold, control U for underline, control I for italic. Fine. So my birth date, my birth date. So I can find my birth date. Not to find, you have to write. Excel cannot tell you a birth date. So the year 1986. Okay, the month 02 February and the day 05. Okay, this is my birth date. Now I can use the formula today. I can use today function in Excel to find the today date, today open bracket, close bracket. Okay, everyone. So to find my age in year, if I want to find my age in years, to find my age in year, if I want to find my age in year, okay, if I want to find my age in years, so I use simply date DIF. Okay, starting date is the date when I born. Today date, comma, double quote under that write Y, close bracket, enter. So I'm 34-year old. Okay, if I want my months, how many month after 34 year, how many month? Again, I can use the same function date DIF. I can use the same function date DIF. Starting date, comma, ending date, comma, under double quote, write YM. So I'm 34 year, 10th month. How many days old? So you can see it is not taking the formula. I thought if we take the formula, I'll copy the formula, but formula is not coming. So again, I have to write manually date DIF. That is the problem with this function date DIF. So birth date, comma, uh, today date, comma, M into D. How many days after 34 year, 10 month? So 14 days. So this is my age. So this is my age. With this, I can find my age. Once I found my age, I can use concatenate or ampersand function to write my age. So if I want to write my age, so if I want to write my age statement, if I want to give a statement, I'll use, I'll write under double quote, my age is, close the double quote, shift 7, double quote space, double quote, shift 7 to give the space bit after my age is. So for that, I can write date DIF. Okay, in that birth date, comma, today date, comma, double quote Y, double quote. This is my age. Shift 7, double quote space, double quote, shift 7. So then my age is 34 years. Okay, so then shift 7, double quote space, double quote, then shift 7. Okay, So my age is 34 years. My age is 34 year. How many month? Y into M. Shift 7. Double quote. Shift double quote space double quote. Shift 7. So my age is 34 year. 10 months and and shift 7 double quote space double quote shift 7 shift 7 double quote space double quote shift 7 days. So with this you can write my age. This is my age. So if in that term of language of Excel, this is my age. If anybody is asking my age in future, I'll tell them this. So this we did by using ampersand function. By using ampersand function. Same thing I can do by using concatenate function. So write equal to concatenate. Write this concatenate under concatenate. Write my age is double quote comma double quote space double quote. My age is okay. BIF birth date comma today date comma double quote space double quote. So my age is 34. Then after that space should come double quote space double quote comma 34 years. So my age is 34 years. Okay, then after that, then double quote space double quote comma 34 year. So my age is 34 years. Then comma shift 7 double quote. Sorry, there's no shift 7. Double quote space double quote comma YM. So YM already done. This is MD comma shift double quote space double quote. Then under double quote write my then this should be days. My age is 34 years. So my age is 34 year. Then month. Then double quote space double quote. Then comma. So my age is 34 year, 10 month and 11 days. This we try to solve by using both concatenate and ampersand function. Both give you the same answer. So this is my age. So we try to learn, we try to learn the age problem. We try to learn the age problem by using concatenate. So by using ampersand function and by using concatenate function, we try to determine my age. And the basic function what we used for the age calculation is date DIF. So guys, I hope you have liked this session. So if you have liked this session, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Thank you everyone. Bye.